Hey guys, just wanted to bring you on the ride with me on a specific project I'm working on right now, and I feel like this is a good learning opportunity. So here we go.
Here we are in Photoshop, sizing up the wall mural photos for production.
All right, now that all the graphics are sized up and ready to go, now it's time to print. Here we go. This is our Epson shirt color, and we are using the Onyx Rip software. So here we go. Files are in here. Now we gotta go to open, and we're gonna start one file at a time. Open up.
I am now in the Onyx Rip software, verifying the sizes, and a great feature in this program is how we can separate our tiles so it fits our media and has a nice overlap for the installer.
And now we're printing.
Once the print has had enough time to outgas and dry, essentially, now we're going to laminate and put this through our laminator here, applying a specific laminate to this to make sure it's good for the application process. Now we're going to go ahead and trim all these down and get them ready for installation.